Walk 1,000 miles without my shoes to make it work. I swore to God that I'm never coming back. Kept my faith when I was clapped. Staring at the world through a crack in the floor and these metal doors that got me trapped. I gotta remind myself that my mind is strong so I won't lose my head. I've got my demons that I fight with every little thought and every breath. I wear my heart up on my sleeve so my soul's exposed. And I carry this disease, the weight of the Holy Ghost. God, can you hear me? God is missing. Take it back, my friend. All the things that you said about the end. This is it, this is me telling you it ain't over till.
Fun fact for today. The cooling system in your car, your radiator, was actually named after Disney's classic film Cars, the town of Radiator Springs.
You've got your life laid out in front of you like a car crash. Unconscious at the wheel cause you were driving too fast. But if you took the time to check up in your rearview mirror, you'd see the things you're driving from are your biggest fears. You gotta get back up from the wreckage above and walk right through the
So today's been a good day. The road to ECC is one step closer. We are completely bagged in the front end, shocks and all. Putting the tubs back together. Got the front left hand side done, so tomorrow we'll get the driver's side done. So you always learn the hard way. So what I'm doing, I'm pulling the gap filler that I pulled into the wheel tub out. I've got a mate of mine coming around, he's a panel beater, and we're going to do it the proper way. It's always good fun to have a go. Make sure you're doing it right the first time. Oh, there we have it, another week home from work and managed to get the front end bagged, so here we have it. The Kebab is laid out on the ground. Its suspension, apart from the rear shocks, is all done. It's all welded in, it's all given a bit of a lick of paint, and yeah, that ECC crunch is getting real now because I've still got a big list of stuff that I need to do. With the turbos, I've still got to get all the water lines, the oil lines, everything mounted, run. Still got to find bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump, have that all fitted. I also still have to get the intercooler mounted, all the cooler piping run, made, exhaust, dump, all that kind of stuff, all done. So on the turbo side of things, I'm sort of on edge on whether I'm going to have that ready for ECC or not. Apart from that, everything seems to be going well. Got the front bumper mounted, so that's all on. Just got to get the plastic apron off and get it sent off to get painted, colour coded with the cream on the bottom there. Good thing is, if I don't get the turbos sorted, everything working fine, I can always resort back to NA, throw the original manifold back in it, original injectors back in, and she'll run sweet. At the moment, I'm thinking that might be the case. I'm still going to try, but I've got other things that I need to focus on to get done first before I do really focus on trying to get these turbos running. So fingers crossed everything falls into place and we can get them going, but if not, it's not the end of the world, and we'll still mosey on over to ECC. in the Kebab. Had a mate of mine, Dale, come around, and he's a panel beater by trade, so he gave us a hand getting the front tubs all sorted and done properly, rather than the way I was going, leaning towards doing. But no, very grateful for his help and his knowledge, and he's going to come back when I'm back next break and finish off the job and get it all painted up nice and neat. Anyway, thanks for watching another episode of In the Build with Kebab. Catch you next time.